Hey everyone, Daryl Lane here from the Vagrant Trader Collective, and today I just wanted to talk to you about something that often gets overlooked in the world of trading, and it's super crucial to your success and your mindset and discipline. Hey, how you doing? See, the charts, they're not just about numbers and trends, right? It's a battlefield. It's a concept of psychology between different parties all over the world. And many traders think that like mastering complex strategies or understanding like the deepest technical analysis is what's going to make them super successful. But let me tell you, without the right mindset and ironclad discipline, you're setting yourself up for failure. The market itself is very unpredictable, and it will test your patience, your greed, your fear. And it's easy to get swayed by a couple of wins or even demoralized by losses. But the key to successful trading is about consistency, controlling emotions, and sticking to your plan while making rational decisions. Discipline in trading is about doing your homework. It's about setting realistic goals, and most importantly, it's about knowing when to step back. It's about understanding that you won't win every trade, but you can minimize your losses and maximize your gains. Self-control. So think of it like this. Conquering the markets, it starts with conquering yourself. It's about building a mindset that aligns with your trading goals. And I want you to understand that as you think about your trading skill set or even becoming someone new to looking at trading, at the Vagrant Trader Collective, we don't just teach you the skill set, right? We're going to work with you to help you develop the psychological aspects of trading. We're going to help you build the mental toughness and discipline required to thrive in the trading world. If you're ready to take on the journey of becoming a trader, or you're ready to elevate your trading skill set and become a master of this art, join us at the Vagrant Trader Collective. Let's conquer this market.